As if your iPhone Air keeps showing this unable to join network whenever you're trying to connect to Wi-Fi, this video will guide you through some simple steps to fix the issue and get online quickly. Alright, so first we're going to start with just swiping down corner center, turn on airplane mode, wait for around 15 seconds, and then just turn it off again. This will quickly refresh and restart the network. Now, if it's still happening, this usually happens with safe networks when the password has been changed recently and you might be putting down the previous password. So in your case, if it's a safe previously connected network, just go ahead, open up the Wi-Fi settings, and then just forget the network from here first. And then, you know the drill, just reconnect with it and make sure you're putting down the correct password in case you have just recently changed the password. Now, if that still didn't work, just give your iPhone Air a forced restart next. Press and release the volume up and down key and press and hold down the power button till it shows the Apple logo on the screen. Because you know what, this might be happening for a minor software glitch and the forced reboot can solve it. If it keeps showing the same error, just open your Wi-Fi settings, tap on this edit button. And from here, what you gotta do is just, if there are a lot of safe networks in this list, just go ahead, remove them. And then there's a trick that you can try. You can try to connect with any other nearby network if available to you. Now, if you're able to connect with that network but not this one, just give your router a restart. Plug it out and in again, just give it a cold boot or power cycle. And just make sure your router is in the range of your iPhone Air. If you couldn't connect your iPhone Air with any of the network whatsoever, lastly, we're going to just reset network settings in our iPhone Air. So just open settings to general, scroll down till the end to transfer or reset iPhone to reset, and then just hit reset network settings a couple of times. After it comes back from the network reset, try to reconnect with your Wi-Fi network and see now if it's working. If there is no hardware issue with the Wi-Fi receiver of your iPhone Air, you will be able to connect it with any network. Thanks for watching.